Alright, welcome back. Real quick, for those of you that are new to the channel, I've noticed that there's been a huge spike in views that I've had lately in the last one. And apparently most of them have been from YouTube recommendations to people. So if you're one of those people, welcome. I'm stoked to have you here. This is going to be the second of 3 parts of this Puerto Vallarta trip. If you didn't see the prior video, I'll put a little card up top for that. I'm going to be doing a bunch of jumping back and forth because, like I said in the previous video, I was on vacation. I wanted to focus more on the experience and what I was doing versus trying to build a story with my camera while I was there. So a little bit of back and forth. I'm pretty excited for the next video though, so please stick around. Please check back. But I'll explain that more in a minute. Yeah, let's get to the video. So today we are doing a bunch of stuff. I think we're like snorkeling and doing a zip line and like all this other crazy stuff. It's like the first time I've been on a boat in I don't even know how long. Luckily there's no motion sickness, so that's good. So at this point we already did the snorkeling. We're heading to this dock and kind of walking through this village, and it's going to be leading us into the jungle basically to go to a restaurant that's basically right next to a waterfall.
Allá adelante. Porque ya no aguanto. Papi. ¿Vamos a ir en estos? ¿O no? Aquí no tenía que estar.
Just getting up there was a whole mission. Like, it's slippery. The water shoes that I had didn't really provide much grip. And then you have like water constantly just like splashing on you. So it was, you know, Lexi handled it pretty well. I think I was probably, honestly, the most graceful of all the sliders.
Sigue el corriente, saca la botella, cambia el ambiente. Baby, no me mientes, tú sabes que te gusta muy caliente. Y baby, cuando bailas, moviendo suavecito, yo me quedo callada. Y baby, estoy perdido, volviendo loco en mi mente. Yo no sé lo que pasó. Cuéntame, porque el corazón me robó ya. Saca la botella hasta que me olvide. Saca la.
So at this point we hiked back and we're waiting for, you know, the boats because they're rotating people, you know, back onto the main boat basically. And then we're kind of like the first ones back, so we kind of had like, we essentially started like a whole dance party. Not me, obviously, because I wasn't drunk enough for that, but yeah, we got down a little bit. And then things got a little weird. Alright, so I don't remember her name, but it was her birthday, the lady in the chair. And the crew, I guess maybe this is like a routine thing that they do, but kudos to this guy, because I could never do that. But he gave her like a PG-13 rated dance, I guess. So I think at this point, this is like our third full day that we're there, and we just needed to, like, especially me and Lexi, like we needed to chill out for a little bit. So we had breakfast, which I was low-key like a little like, cause like my nene was kind of like, I don't know if she was like critiquing my cooking, I don't know, but she was kind of hanging out, just watching, and I was just like, you judging me right now, or what's going on? Anyway, so we had breakfast, and then we go down to the pool afterward. Around like 2, I think, every day they do like volleyball, and they'll have like guest bands that will come in and play music. But yeah, I was playing some volleyball, you know, no big deal. I was totally killing it out there, and totally graceful the whole time. And then a little bit after that, my Pamimi, my grandpa, he's chilling like the whole trip, and I don't know, we just didn't really expect him to get in the pool, but he, like, all of a sudden we were just like, oh, he's in the pool. And then they had this like bubble machine that they were like just dousing everybody in the pool, and it was definitely one of my favorite moments from the whole trip, for sure. So we chilled at the pool, and then we were supposed to go on this, like, it was like a show, but it was kind of like a Circus Olay type of thing, or it was like a historic, like it was like Mexican performers doing like Mexican history, but like in a performance type of way. I don't know. You'll see.
I'm recording.
You guys ever see like a super white Mexican try and dance before? Just slightly tipsy at that point. And the fact that my tia had to grab a video in a vertical, like the video was vertical and not it. Yeah. Tia, we need to work on that.
Sigue el corriente, saca la botella, cambia el ambiente. Baby,
This
no me
is crazy.
mientes, tú sabes que te gusta muy
I
caliente.
can't believe this is
Baby, cuando bailas,
So at this point, this is kind of where the night ends, so to speak. We got rained on. Didn't happen any other day. It got to a point where they had to cancel the show, and then we just got voted back. So we just continued drinking until then. So short video. Like I said, the next one will be pretty cool because it's gonna include some of the city tour that we did, which is really cool. And then me and Lexi had like a cousin date, so that portion of the video I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Yeah, short one. Nothing too crazy. Next one's gonna be great. A little bit more of like the touristy vibe, I guess you could say. Yeah, thank you for checking out the second video. Again, if you're new, welcome. Thank you for clicking on the video and watching this long if you did. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And part 3 coming out soon. So I never know how to end these things.
sigue el corriente, saca la botella, cambia el ambiente. Baby, no me mientes, tú sabes que te gusta muy caliente. Y baby, cuando bailas, moviendo suavecito, yo me quedo callado. Y baby, estoy perdido.